Welcome to AutoCAD channel. Today I gonna show you how to draw cross section automatically. Before starting the video, I requested to my viewers to subscribe my channel, and if this video is useful, please like this video. So let's get started. I insert my cross section data in the Excel in this format. First chain then distance, then RL, then open AutoCAD file, then first set up the unit and the precision. I like to choose a three digit after point, and in the insertion scale I prefer meter because my drawing is in meter. Then press OK. Then I have to modify the dimension style, so click the modify, and in the primary unit setup, in the precision I select three digit after point, and in the suffix I write M, then press OK, then close, then open SWDTM software, then go to the Excel file again and copy your cross section data, then go to the AutoCAD drawing, and in the SWDTM click X section option and then draw LN, L profile or X section, and click draw X section. In the read file I choose here from Excel file, then click execute. In the column distance I write here 3000. It means that the distance between two columns will be 3000. Then press draw. Here you can see that my cross section has inserted. So now let's see my scale is okay or not. In this point to this point my distance is 10 meter. So let's check. For this check we go to the dimension and click align. Then make distance. Here you see that here is 100 meter, but my distance is 10 meter only. And I also see my vertical distance is okay or not. For that I take a measurement 0 to 1. Here it's 10 meter, but the distance between 0 to 1 is 1 meter. So here my distance is not okay. For that use this cross section, then SWDTM software again. My horizontal scale is 100. It means my scale will be increased 10 times from its original value. So here I write 1000, and the vertical scale has also 100. That means in the vertical scale it will be increased 10 times. So here I also write 1000 because my drawing is in 1:1000 scale. Then again click draw, then click anywhere in the window. Here you can see that The cross section has inserted in the AutoCAD. So now check my skill is okay or not. For this check, go to the dimension and select align again. Then take a measure between 2 points. Here is 10 meter. Here the distance between 2 points is 10 meter. So my horizontal scale is okay. So now check the vertical scale is okay or not. Here is also 10 meter, and the difference between these 2 points is also 10 meter. So my vertical scale is also okay. So in this method you can draw as much you have cross section. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.